Hey learners, welcome to Mac. So learners, in the last video you just saw what is a prefix sum and some queries associated with it. So if you haven't watched that video, I will recommend that go and watch that video. I will just pin that video in the comment, and also I will add it in the description, and also you will get that video in the I button. So now let's just proceed. So in this video we will just see how to make a prefix sum array or how to construct a prefix sum array. So if there is an array with elements a0, a1, a2, a3 till a and minus 1. So if you have to make a prefix sum, construct a prefix sum, then the first element is same as the first element of the array. Now for the next element we will just add this element with the second element of the array, and we will just store that value over here. So you can just see a0 plus a1 and will be stored over here, and this a0 is what? The prefix sum of the 0th index, and now see in the second index of the prefix sum that you will just take the sum of these element and add the a2, and we will just store over here. You can see a0 plus a1 plus a2. So you can see that a0 plus a1 is what? This element is you can say as the prefix sum of 1th index, which is this the same like this. So this will be prefix sum of 1th index plus what? The array element of the second index. Okay, and then if you proceed further, you will just add this, the result of this set of elements with a3, and you will just store over here. You can see a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus a3. Now you see a0 plus a1 plus a2. What is this? This set of elements will result in prefix sum of index 2, which is over here. You can see this and this are same. So what you are doing over here, that taking the value of prefix sum of index 2 and adding just the arrayth element of a3 over here. So you can just taking the sum of prefix sum of index 2 with a3. So like this you will just proceed. So what will be the generalized formula for it? You can see that you prefix sum of the ith index, you can get that just by getting the prefix sum of I minus 1 index. So if you get the prefix sum of this third index, you can get by taking the value of this prefix sum of the second index, and you will just add the ith element of this third index, and with this you can get the prefix sum of that particular index. So just see a pseudo code how to construct it. So now just see the pseudo code for it. So you will just put the first value of the array index and the first value of the prefix sum. Now just start the loop from I is equals to 1 till I n minus 1, and you can get the prefix sum of ith element by taking the prefix sum of I minus 1 element and adding the arrayth element of the ith index. So with this you can just get the prefix sum array. Okay, so learners, this is it for this video. So in the next video we will be coming with some problems associated with the prefix sum. So if you like this video, hit the like button, do subscribe to our channel. We will be coming with more data structure videos, and comment out in the comment box whatever you liked in this video, and also if you need to improve something, this will help us in improving our teaching lecture. And hit the like button. Thank you.